Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we're frying up some whole dove breast in our discada. Good thing about this is when you're deep frying in the discada, the way it's shaped, you can get a nice big pool of oil using not as much oil as you would in like a vat or even a skillet. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is take my bowl. I'm gonna add the egg to it and beat the egg first. Then to that bowl, I'm gonna add my buttermilk, and we're gonna whisk this, get our egg mixture and buttermilk combined. That's gonna be the wet portion. And then on this plate, I'm gonna add my 3 cups of all-purpose flour and combine that with our chicken and rib rub and get that nice and mixed in. Okay, we're gloved up, ready to fry. I'm gonna show you this wet hand, dry hand method so you don't have crusty flour all over the place. I'm gonna take one hand and keep it in the dry. So we're gonna add dove breast to our flour, and I'm gonna coat those with the dry hand, get them nice and covered. Now, I'm gonna take this hand, add them to our wet, making sure if I do get this hand wet, it's not going back in my dry mix. Now with this hand, get the dove nice soaked in our egg and buttermilk, and then go back to my flour one more time. We've got our oil at 350 in our discada, so we're gonna start dropping these in, about 3 to 5 minutes each one. Okay, so we've got all of our dove fried through. A nice, easy deep fry in the discada. Of course, if you don't have fried dove, you could use chicken breast or chicken thighs, but if you do have the dove sitting around, give this one a try. Let us help you navigate all the seasons, both in the field and in the kitchen.